Hey fam, welcome back to another quick vision tutorial. So you might have noticed something new, that little bell icon next to your profile pic. Yeah, we've finally got pop-up notifications and they're pretty sweet. You'll see all your important updates right here. We're talking sales, offers, and, this is huge, warnings when your names are about to expire. These will pop up on your screen so you won't miss anything important. Pretty handy, right? Now, if you want to customize what you see, just head over to your settings and look for the notifications tab right here. Under activity, you've got these simple toggles. Just flip them on or off. Super straightforward. Want renewal reminders? Yes, definitely. Toggle on. Don't care about offers? Toggle off. You get the idea. And that's literally it. Quick and easy, just how we like it. Drop a comment if you've got any questions, and don't forget to keep those expiry notifications on. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Catch you in the next one.